Hey guys, and welcome back. So in this lesson we're going to discuss string concatenation and interpolation. So in an earlier lesson we mentioned that we could add standalone strings together to form a sentence. So for example, we could log to the console string 1, and then we could add another string together using the plus operator, like so. So this is known as string concatenation, and it can be done not only with strings but with variables as well, or even a combination of both. So for example, if we declare a variable, let my car equals Ferrari, we can then log to the console, I own a plus, then we access the my car variable, plus exclamation mark, and we close that up and we get I own a Ferrari logged to the console. Now, string interpolation was introduced in ES6, and it's a feature that makes concatenating strings even easier. So we do this by using what's called a template literal, which is a string wrapped in backticks, like so. Now the backtick key is usually located under the escape key and to the left of the number 1 key on your keyboard. So inside the template literal, you're able to insert a variable using a placeholder. So to initialize the placeholder, we use the $sign followed by 2 curly braces, like so. Then the variable is then inserted into the template between the curly braces. So let's take a look at an example. If we create a variable const my shoes equals Nike, we can then console.log a string, and instead of using single or double quotes, we use the backticks, and then we insert the string that we'd like to log to the console. So for example, we could say I own a pair of, and then to insert the variable my shoes here, we basically add a $sign, the 2 curly braces, and then we insert the variable here, so my shoes. And then we can continue with our string. So now in the console we have the value of my shoes, which is Nike, and it's inside the template literal string. So as you can see, the template literal doesn't require the plus operators, and there's no need to continuously open and close strings surrounding variables. We only need one set of backticks, and then we insert our variables anywhere inside the template literal using the $sign and the curly braces. So by doing it this way, not only is it easier and faster, but it also improves the readability of our code. So that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.